Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create your own list totally free even if you are absolute beginner. And actually we're going to use Facebook. And don't worry, we will not spam anybody. And I think nobody's sharing you with this on YouTube. So if you find it useful, give it a like. So first thing you need to do, you need to create a new Facebook profile. Now that is really important. New Facebook profile. Now, second thing you need to do, you need to choose a broad niche, and then you can create multiply lists targeting a specific sub niche of that big broad niche. Okay, that is really important. Or you can simply target that one broad niche. So after you create your new Facebook profile, what you need to do, you need to click here on friends, and then here you can see custom lists. When you click here, you can create a custom list and you can add friends on that custom list targeting a specific sub niche of that broad niche. So to create a new list, you can click here on create a list. And then here you need to give it a name. So for example, for the purpose of this video, let's just say make money online. Click here on confirm, and that's it. I created this new list. So when I click here, this is my list. And here I can actually add friends to this list, friends who are closely interested in making money online. So when I click here, I can add friends, okay? Or I can also remove friends. When I click here on save, that's it. I will add my friends on this specific list. And when I go back here on homepage, and when I click here, I can create a new post. And I can actually use ChatGPT to create that new post. And that is actually a really good thing. You need to create a content, an engaging and useful content, and you can use ChatGPT to create that content and also to create an eye-catchy images. That is really important. And then simply share that content here so you can engage your new friends in a specific list. When you click here, so for example, I just say something like this, and I click here on next. Here you can see I can target this specific list, okay? I can target just one list, not all my friends, but just friends in that specific list, okay? That is really important. So let me just close this. But how do you actually get friends? Now you can go and simply start sending friend requests, but that is actually the worst way to get friends because it is a big chance that you will actually be marked as a spammer and your Facebook profile will be blocked, okay? So best thing is to actually go here and search for groups in your niche, okay? So let me just click here, leave, and then click here on groups. And then here you can start joining these Facebook groups in your niche. In this case, make money online. So when I click here, I can actually see posts. So what you need to do, you need to start searching people who are actually asking questions and start answering on their questions. Also, you can start sharing useful and informative content in this group. In that way, people will start engaging with your content and eventually they will start sending you friend requests. So you don't have to do that by yourself, and plus those friends are more targeted. They are more interested in that specific niche, that specific sub niche. And you can add those people to a specific list of friends of your friends. And again, let me just close this. You can go back here on homepage and you can start sharing content, a useful and informative content for each of those lists, targeting each of those sub niches. And also this is really important. Reply on your friends' comments, answer on their messages, answer on their questions. Try to help them, try to create a connection, try to create trust, because in that way it is more likely that those people will actually buy the product that you are promoting. Okay, and that is why it is really important for you to create engagement, for you to create a connection with your friends. And like I said, you can add as friends to a specific list, so you can target only those people. So this is actually a highly targeted free traffic. That is why this is really important. I used this when I was just starting with affiliate marketing, and that is how I was actually making my first affiliate sales. So if you are a beginner, you are just starting, this is the best way to start, okay? Now, and if you are sharing useful and really good content, then those friends, your friends that you are targeting in that specific list, They will also start sharing your posts on their Facebook profiles, on related groups, on related Facebook fan pages. And you can add up to 5,000 friends to your one Facebook profile. And also what you can do is you can also remove friends who are not engaging with your content. So eventually you will have 5,000 friends who are highly engaging with your content. So you will have a lot of free traffic. And after you reach 5,000 friends, that is the limit on Facebook profiles, you can actually create your own Facebook group, you can create your own Facebook fan page, you can create your own Instagram page, you can create your own mailing list, and you can get even more followers, you can get even more members, and you can start getting even more free traffic, targeted traffic from Facebook, totally free. Only thing that you need to invest is your work and your time, and that's it. And trust me guys, this works. I used this when I was just starting, and this is how I start making my first affiliate sales, and I'm sure this will also work for you as well. So this is how you make money with affiliate marketing and Facebook and the free Facebook traffic in 2024.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.